Hi, thanks for joining me on Tech with RKM. Today is episode 3 of the Claude/command series, and we're covering the 3 commands that define the boundaries of every Claude Code session, /init, /resume, and /exit, where your session starts, how you come back to it, and how you leave it cleanly. Most users know about /init because it's in the getting started docs. Almost nobody uses /resume properly, and /exit is one of those commands people don't think about at all until it saves their skin. We'll look at what each command actually does, when to use each one, and the boundaries between them, especially the surprising interaction between /resume and session storage. By the end, you'll understand exactly how to keep a productive Claude Code session running across days or weeks. Okay, let's dive in. 3 things to anchor on. 1, /init is a project setup command. You run it once per project, ideally at the beginning. It scans your code base, extracts the shape of your project, and writes a starter CLAUDE.md file. 2, /resume is a session continuation command. It picks up a previous session with full history, exactly where you left off. This is different from just restarting Claude Code, which gives you a fresh session with no memory. 3, /exit is a proper shutdown command. It cleanly persists session state to disk, closes MCP server connections, and terminates the process. Not the same as hitting Ctrl-C, which is a hard kill. Let me walk through /init in detail. When you type /init inside a new Claude Code session at the root of a project, Claude does 3 things. First, it uses the Glob and Read tools to survey your code base. It looks at your package.json, your README, your directory structure. It notices what languages you use, what frameworks you rely on, what conventions you follow. Second, it drafts a Claude.md file. This file becomes the context that gets injected into every future Claude Code session in that directory. It captures your project's tech stack, its conventions, entry points, testing setup, deployment story. Third, it writes the file to your project root and reports what it did. The output is a starter document, not a finished one. You should read the generated Claude.md, edit it, add specifics that Claude couldn't infer, remove things that are wrong or too verbose. But it's a really solid starting point, better than staring at a blank document. /resume is where most users miss out. Claude Code stores session transcripts. Every session you run gets saved to disk. The default location is under your home directory in a hidden Claude folder organized by project. When you type /resume in a fresh Claude Code session, Claude shows you a list of recent sessions from the current directory ordered by recency. You pick one, and Claude reopens it with the full message history intact. This means you can have a conversation with Claude yesterday, close the terminal, come back the next day, run /resume, and pick up where you left off. Full context, full history, nothing lost. This is way more useful than most people realize. So in the next few minutes, I'll cover the exit command in detail, the boundaries between these 3, and the gotchas that trip you up. Okay, /exit in detail. /exit is a clean shutdown. When you run it, Claude does 4 things in order. First, it flushes any pending writes to your session transcript on disk. Second, it terminates all active MCP server connections cleanly, so those processes shut down without leaving orphaned resources. Third, it closes any open file handles, releases the terminal state, and prepares to exit. Fourth, it exits the Claude Code process with a 0 exit code. Compared to Ctrl-C, Ctrl-C sends a SIGINT signal. The process gets interrupted mid whatever it's doing. If Claude was in the middle of writing to your session transcript, that write might be partial or lost. If MCP servers are running, they get orphaned. If you had a file handle open, it might not get cleaned up. It usually works okay because most systems are resilient, but occasionally it corrupts your session state. The recommendation is use /exit for planned shutdowns, Ctrl-C for actual emergencies. In practice, this matters mostly when you're in a long agentic run and want to stop it. Ideally, hit escape or a similar interrupt to abort the current task, wait for Claude to acknowledge, then /exit. That's the clean sequence. Now, the boundaries between these three /init and /resume are two different modes of starting. /init is for a new project, /resume is for continuing an existing session, /exit is for ending. So the typical lifecycle is first day on a project, run /init to generate the Claude.md, then work normally, then /exit when done. Next day, run Claude /resume, pick your last session, keep going. When done, /exit. 3 gotchas worth knowing. Gotcha 1, /init overwrites your existing Claude.md if you run it a second time. Well, it warns you first and asks for confirmation, but if you're not paying attention, you can overwrite carefully curated project context with a fresh scan. Only run /init when you actually want to regenerate. Gotcha 2, /resume shows sessions from the current directory. If you're in the wrong directory, you don't see the session you want. Always resume from the same directory you started the original session in. If you cd around, you may not find your recent session. Gotcha 3, /exit does not save any unsaved edits Claude made to files. Well, Claude's file writes are usually already saved during the session because that's how the edit tool works. But if for some reason a write was in flight, /exit doesn't guarantee it. Don't rely on /exit to save you from an in-progress file operation. Let Claude finish first. A useful pattern for power users: when you're deep in a long project, run /exit at the end of every work session. Every next day, run Claude Code in that directory /resume, pick the previous session. This gives you continuous context across days. Some of my most productive stretches with Claude Code have been week-long /resume chains where I never lose thread on the project. There's also a niche use for /resume in the middle of a session. Say you're working on task A, then suddenly need to answer a quick question in a fresh session. You /exit, start a new session for the quick question /exit that. Then Claude /resume, pick your original task, a session. Multi-thread your work. Quick recap: /init generates a starter CLAUDE.md by scanning your project. /resume reopens a saved session with full history. /exit cleanly persists state and shuts down. Init at project start. Resume at session continue. Exit at session end. Don't Ctrl-C when you don't have to. Tomorrow on the Decoded series, we cover the bash tool, the most powerful and most dangerous tool in Claude Code, the permission model, the persistent shell, and the gotchas at scale. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop a comment with your longest /resume chain. See you tomorrow.